Imagine navigating the vast ocean of running a small business. You're juggling clients, delivering your expertise, and constantly striving for growth. But amidst the exciting waves of entrepreneurship, a less glamorous, yet utterly crucial, task bobs to the surface: managing your finances. This is where FreshBooks steps in, acting as your reliable compass, guiding you through the often turbulent waters of invoicing, expenses, and accounting. As an accounting software expert, I've seen countless tools designed to streamline financial processes. FreshBooks stands out not just for its robust features, but for its intuitive design and its specific focus on the needs of service-based small businesses, freelancers, and independent professionals. So what exactly is the purpose of FreshBooks? In essence, it's designed to simplify and automate the core financial tasks that often bog down small business owners, allowing them to focus on what they do best. Let's delve deeper into the key purposes FreshBooks serves. 1. Effortless and professional invoicing. At the heart of any service-based business lies the invoice. It's the crucial link between the value you provide and the payment you receive. FreshBooks transforms the often tedious process of creating and sending invoices into a streamlined and professional experience. Gone are the days of wrestling with spreadsheets or generic templates. FreshBooks offers customizable, professional-looking invoice templates that you can tailor with your branding, including your logo and color scheme. Beyond aesthetics, FreshBooks simplifies the entire invoicing workflow. You can easily add clients, line items detailing your services or products, set payment terms, and even include discounts or taxes. What truly sets it apart is its ability to automate reminders for overdue invoices, significantly reducing the stress of chasing payments. This feature alone can drastically improve your cash flow and save you valuable time. Furthermore, FreshBooks allows for various payment options, making it convenient for your clients to pay you quickly and easily online. 2. Streamlined expense tracking. Keeping track of your business expenses is vital for understanding your profitability and for accurate tax reporting. FreshBooks makes this process incredibly simple. You can easily record expenses as they occur, categorize them for better organization, and even attach receipts for easy reference. This eliminates the shoebox full of crumpled receipts and the frantic scramble at tax time. FreshBooks offers multiple ways to track expenses. You can manually enter them, connect your bank accounts and credit cards for automatic import, or even snap photos of receipts using the mobile app, which then automatically extracts the relevant information. This comprehensive approach ensures that no expense slips through the cracks, providing you with a clear picture of your spending. 3. Accurate time tracking for billable hours. For freelancers, consultants, and other professionals who bill by the hour, accurate time tracking is paramount. FreshBooks offers intuitive time tracking tools that allow you to easily log your work hours, either manually or using a timer. You can then seamlessly integrate these tracked hours into your invoices, ensuring accurate billing for your valuable time. The ability to track time directly within FreshBooks eliminates the need for separate time tracking software and reduces the risk of errors in billing. You can even categorize your time entries by project or client, providing valuable insights into the profitability of different engagements. 4. Comprehensive financial reporting. Understanding your business's financial health is crucial for making informed decisions and planning for the future. FreshBooks provides a range of insightful reports that give you a clear overview of your financial performance. These reports include profit and loss statements, expense reports, accounts receivable aging, showing who owes you money and for how long, and more. These reports are presented in an easy-to-understand format, even for those without a strong accounting background. They empower you to identify trends, track your profitability, and make data-driven decisions to improve your business's financial well-being. 5. Project management and collaboration. While primarily an accounting software, FreshBooks also offers basic project management features that can be incredibly useful for small teams and freelancers. You can create projects, track their progress, collaborate with clients and team members, and even share files. This integrated approach helps keep everything organized and in one place. 6. Seamless integration with other business tools. FreshBooks understands that businesses often rely on a variety of tools to operate efficiently. That's why it offers seamless integrations with popular platforms such as payment processors, like Stripe and PayPal, CRM systems, and other business applications. This connectivity streamlines workflows and eliminates the need for manual data entry across multiple platforms. 7. User-friendly interface and accessibility. Perhaps one of FreshBooks' greatest strengths is its user-friendly interface. Unlike some complex accounting software that can feel overwhelming, FreshBooks is designed with simplicity in mind. Its intuitive layout and clear navigation make it easy for anyone, regardless of their accounting expertise, to manage their finances effectively. Furthermore, FreshBooks is accessible across various devices, including desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones, allowing you to manage your finances on the go.